friends, I am fishing my hiney off this weekend. This is my third trip. Ain't had a whole lot to write home about. So we're fixing to give these Jurassic a gigantic worm and my new J13 Rapala jointed minnow. There's my Zumo monster. There's a lot of action going on down there in the water. See it? See them rings? Well, that ain't the J7 I just did a review on. That's the J13 I ordered from Bass Pro Shop with my bonus points. All right, wish me luck. I got him, guys. I got him. I got a bass. I got a bass. I got a bass up in there, up in that creek on that one. On my J13. Got off on the J13. Whew, what a weekend. What a weekend. I never got a really super good hook set on him. He's about a 2-pounder. Never got a really good hook set on him. He just bent it. Ah. Don't lose this one. Don't lose this one. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Yes. 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 GoPro, start recording. Okay. You just missed the fight on this one, guys. It was a brutal fight. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Sorry you missed a fight. I'm GoPro on and GoPro off and missed the whole fight. That's darling. Darling. I hung one up in the creek on my J13. He shook it and I was just so discouraged. And then I put on the Zumo monster. Like the second cast, tap, tap, I felt it. I hit this thing as hard as I could hit anything. And I got him in. Let's see how much he weighs. He gonna go 3. Yeah, I lost one a little bit smaller than this. Man, I hit that thing. I hit that thing. .61. 3.61 pounds. That's a nice bass. God, I missed the whole fight. I got him. I'm happy. Woo. Man, these guys fight. Uh-oh. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Go on, mama. See you later. Okay, that did not take long. And that was the most gentle bite. I thought it'd go tink tink. I said, that's something. I just went wham. I wish I would have had that. And he was all down here dragging all kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, that was a big one. Is that thunder? If that's thunder, I'm out of here. Whoa, that's it. Ain't no fish worth your life, guys. I love to fish, but I like to fish another day. Don't play with that Thunder. That Thunder was over there and all of a sudden it got behind me. I got to get out of here. Got it on lock. Starting to rain too. Friends, that was probably 15 minutes. Had the one on the J13. He looked like he was about a 2-pounder. Lost him. Got the footage of that. Then I threw out the Zumo Monster tap. I felt the lightest tap. Wham! Jumping hook set. Laid into that one, fight with drag and everything. And when I had him in the bushes, I said, GoPro stop, and it turned on. So that happens. I don't have a production crew following me around. It's all done from the top of my head. So sorry about that. Hopefully I'll get better footage for that next time, but hopefully I got me weighing him and everything. 3.6 pounder. That's a good one. Till next time, everybody, stay safe.